Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe and you like my videos. For today's video, it's going to be a Boxycharm unboxing and try on style like I always do. This video is posting a little bit late because there was a hurricane heading our way. Long story short, a lot of confusion, a lot of preparations, a lot of planning on what I was gonna do. Basically it never ended up hitting me where I am, so thank God. But yeah, basically my dad flew in and from California, and since nothing happened, we were just spending time together exploring while my husband was out at sea. So I was just trying to, stay sane. For this month, it was the themed wildflower. Look how cute that is. And these are all the products that I got in my Boxycharm. By the way, I also did get the number 2 style box. As many of you know, there's many different styles to what box you get, and I just got number 2. First product that I got was the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale eyeshadow palette, and this one usually retails for $35, which I think is insane. I mean, this is what it looks like. You do have a pretty good sized mirror up here, and the colors, let me see. I have enough browns and these type of shimmer colors. I feel like I have enough of that. I actually don't own a gray eyeshadow, and this gray eyeshadow is beautiful. It blends super duper well. I honestly fell in love with that gray eyeshadow. For eyeshadows that I did end up using worked wonderfully as well. I can kind of see why it retails for such a high price, because I think the shadows are pretty good. After working with the shadows, they honestly are all super pigmented. I had no trouble with any of the ones that I used. I honestly love how good they blend. I didn't know Pretty Vulgar was this freaking amazing. As soon as I put it on and started blending, the pigment was just there, and it was super duper easy to blend. The shadows blended so well together. I didn't have any problems with any patchiness or fallout. There was honestly little, when I mean little, I mean like a little speck. Little to no fallout. There is kickback in the pan, but it's nothing crazy. The next product that I got was the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten Blush. And it looks like this. I've actually never ever tried a Laura Geller blush. Does this not look super duper pretty? Like, I love it. This retails for $28. See that? Yeah, I don't even know how to explain it. It just has a sheen to it. If you have a lot of texture, you're probably not gonna want this because it does emphasize texture. I have a ton of texture, and it's just, I've learned to deal with it. Honestly, you can't, what are we gonna do? I don't know. Let me know. If you have no texture at all, I think you're gonna love this, because I mean, what's not to love about it? I have texture and I love it. I would really recommend it. The next item that I got were these Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. So basically it comes with this bigger brush, kind of like a blending crease brush. Then it came with this flat shader or concealer brush, and then this flat kind of like liner smudger brush. Now this set does retail for $18. 100% synthetic fibers. They're extremely soft, durable, and essential to your brush collection. I didn't really use these in today's video because I kind of forgot about them. But I mean, they feel great. I love this green. The next product that I got was the Hank & Henry liquid lipstick. Now this is a matte liquid lipstick. Let me just talk about the packaging first of all. Like, do you guys see this? I love this sleek, clean white and clear little tube. It looks like lipstick, like your regular average classic lippy. And then you have the Hank & Henry here. And there's like a little logo right there, and you open it up and it comes from there. Like, this thing is super duper cool. 100% Love this packaging, super creative. Just an average applicator. This does have a scent to it. I cannot pinpoint what this smells like, but it's not my favorite scent, to be honest. And I am wearing this on my lips today. This is in the color Petal Pusher. This dries super duper fast. I think that's pretty convenient, to be honest, so you don't have to keep waiting minutes for it to dry. And this usually retails for $17, which I think is a pretty good price. Reading on the little pamphlet, and it says this frosting scented long wearing liquid lip glides on smoothly while its vitamin E infused formula gives your lips the youthful look they deserved. It's highly pigmented and drives to a full coverage matte finish, whatever, and never transfers. I guess I can smell the frosting scent after I read that, but at the same time, it is, I don't know. It does not feel drying on my lips at all. I know I've talked about this before on my channel. I hate drying liquid lipsticks. I hate them so much because I have like lines on my lips, you know, and I hate when a liquid lipstick emphasizes those lines and then dries it out on top of that. Like, it's not a good look. But this one, I feel it's a bit sticky, but it's not uncomfortable when I'm talking and my lips touch. It's not sticky at all. And the final product that I got was the Butter London Stroke of Wow roller or roll-on eyeliner. I did do my wings with this eyeliner today. It doesn't dry off as a matte. There's still like a little bit of a sheen to the black liner, so it's not a matte black liner. It's quick drying, smudge proof formula, and it's guaranteed to last. When I did do my eyeliner, it was actually very quick drying. I kept going back and forth after it dried, even putting on more liner to really get the type of wing that I wanted. And I've had eyeliners where it cracks after a few layers of, you know, layering it on because it's liquid. And this one, I was super duper scared it was gonna do that, but it actually did not do any of that. And I mean, it really is different. This is what it looks like, and this is what the roller thing looks like. It is super different. Let me just... But it does give a really precise line. I like how the little roller thing isn't flimsy at all, so it's not gonna like make you move anywhere. You just have to like really know where the roll thing is and really know how to work with it. Actually isn't as hard as it looks. So with that being said, this usually retails for $19. To set my concealer is going to be the color Nocturnal, and it's just this really light pale bone color. This color I'm going to be taking is the color Hide and Seek, which is this very kind of like light toned brown shade. And I'm going to be putting this on my crease. Next color I'm going to be taking is going to be the color After Midnight, which is this very cool toned gray color. Deepen out the upper crease up here. I'm going to go ahead and be taking the color Swoop, which is kind of like another brown. There's this brown which seems to have a little bit of shimmer, and then there's this complete matte brown. So I'm just going to be dipping into that. I'm just going to go ahead and be taking the color Silver Spoon, and let's just pray this looks good. Some of All Nighter, which is the black, and really focusing that on the outer V. Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Precision Eyeliner, which was really different, I'm gonna say. This is what the packaging looks like. Yeah, that's basically all that came in my Boxycharm for this month of September. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you got any similar products, go ahead and let me know what products you actually enjoyed and what products you didn't enjoy. I want to know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. That would mean the world to me, and go ahead and just leave me your feedback down below in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a blessed day, guys. Bye.